Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Subway Surfers game on Unity. First, ensure you have Unity Hub and the Unity Editor installed. Open Unity Hub and create a new 3D project, giving it a clear name like Subway Runner. Once the project loads, you'll want to import all your essential game assets. This includes your character models, environmental pieces, and any user interface elements you plan to use. Getting these foundational steps right is crucial for a smooth development process. Next, let's focus on the core gameplay mechanics. You'll need to script your character's movement, allowing them to run forward, jump over barriers, and slide under obstacles. Design a variety of obstacles, such as trains, barriers, and tunnels, ensuring they are visually distinct. Crucially, implement collision detection so that when your character hits an obstacle, the game registers it. This interaction is fundamental to the endless runner experience and provides the challenge players expect. Now, let's tackle the endless environment and scoring. To simulate an infinite run, you'll implement procedural generation, continuously spawning new track segments and obstacles as the player progresses. Develop a robust scoring system that tracks the player's distance and any coins or items they collect. Integrate various power-ups, like coin magnets or super jumps, to make the game more engaging. These elements are key to keeping players hooked and striving for higher scores. Finally, we'll refine the user experience and consider monetization. Create intuitive UI elements for your main menu, in-game score display, and game over screens. Add engaging sound effects for actions like jumping and collecting coins, along with a catchy background music track. These audio cues significantly boost immersion. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the links in the description below. Consider implementing in-app purchases or rewarded ads to monetize your game, offering players optional ways to enhance their experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.